Hello my friends, welcome to Chokda Kitchen. Today I'm cooking catfish with fenugreek seed, or this is called meathi seed as well. This is catfish. I took nearly one small size, not that small, medium size of catfish, you can see, and I took fenugreek seed. I soaked this seed last night with the cold water, so my fish is nice and clean. Now I'm going to start cooking. To do this cooking, first of all I need to fry this fish. So I took nearly 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger powder here. I'm going to put half teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder here. I'm adding salt with little amount of oil. I'm using olive oil for this cooking. If you want, you can use the olive oil, or you can use any other oil as well. Now I'm going to fry the fish here. My friend, you can see my fish fry is done. I didn't fry it too much. I'm going to put it one side, and I'm going to use the same oil for my rest of the fish. So I'm putting a little bit more oil here. I added one medium size chopped onion here. One teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. The salt. Don't forget, you add salt when you fry the fish. Now I'm gonna mix it nicely, and I'm gonna wait until it becomes brown. Half teaspoon of haldi powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of mixed powder. I'm going to add my seed here, fenugreek seed, which I soaked last night. I added around 1 cup of hot water, and I'm gonna wait until this water gets to boil. When this water starts boiling, then I'm gonna put the fish here, and after that my cooking will be finished. So my friend, now you can see the water is boiling. Now I'm going to add all the fried fish here. Now I add dry meathi leaf. So while I'm cooking the one with the meathi seed, why don't I use some of the meathi leaf? So I'll get the nice fragrance out of it. And after that, I'm gonna wait around 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna put the flame very low, and then my fish today recipe will be ready for all of you. So my friend, now you can see my food recipe is done. Catfish with fenugreek seed or meathi seed. I served down with the steamed rice. And hopefully you will like this recipe as well. Don't forget to try this at home, and share my channel and subscribe my channel, and most important thing, press the bell icon for my upcoming more recipes, and see you next time with one more recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye.